discussing about plant tissues. So we already discussed different types of major types of plant tissues. Come and tell me how many major types of tissues are present in plants? Four. What are they? Mesosomatic tissue, ground tissue, vascular tissue. So these are the major tissues present in plants. Today we are discussing about ground tissues. So here good diagrams are there on the blackboard. Good or bad? Good. Tell me, good or bad? Good. Okay, good diagrams are there and neat diagrams are there. And these diagrams are drawn by whom? Me, Jayya sir. Okay? I am a good drawing master. Yes. Okay. So here you see the friends about three diagrams. And this is not one diagram. Three diagrams are there. So ground tissue, three diagrams are there. Again, I am telling you, ground tissue is the major tissue present in plants. And it forms bulk. So here it is formed with large amount. And this bulk tissue is useful for storage of food and support the plant part. And they are giving what? Mechanical state to the plant part. And they are also preparing food. So some of the tissue also useful for preparation of food, having what? Chloroplast. So in this way, ground tissue is called bulk tissue. So which tissue is called bulk tissue? Ground tissue. Why it is called bulk tissue? Because it is having more part of the plant. Most part of the plant is having what? Bulk tissue. This is ground tissue. Next, ground tissue is of three types. Ground tissue is of three types. So here you see parenchyma, come on tell me, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Ground tissues are how many types? Three types. So what are they? Parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. All these are scientific terms. Listen, children, listen. Don't write. All of you listen. So here parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. All of you look at the blackboard. So here you see parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. So parenchyma tissue is soft tissue. It is soft tissue. And this soft tissue is a living tissue. And here you see there are some gaps are there, and they are loosely arranged. They are not compactly arranged. And they are loosely arranged and they are thin walled. Parenchymal tissue are loosely arranged and they are thin walled and they are living tissue. And this parenchyma is of three types: collenchyma, aerenchyma and storage tissue. Page number 19 you see diagrams are there. First one, chlorenchyma. All of you look at the book. Chlorenchyma, 19th page, top. Aerenchyma and storage tissue. Chlorenchyma tissue is having what? Chloroplast. Children, chlorenchyma consists of what? Chloroplast. And then, chlorenchyma. CHLORENCHYMA. Third is storage tissue. Here, page number 18. Storage tissue or storage parenchyma. It is also called as what? Storage parenchyma. Storage tissue or storage parenchyma. Right. Good. So here you see three types of what? Parenchyma. So they are chlorenchyma, aerenchyma and storage parenchyma. Chlorenchyma tissue consists of chloroplast and the green color. They prepare food. They prepare glucose, carbohydrates and cellulose, chloroplast. And they are green color. So what is the color of chloronchyma? Green. Why? Because they are having chloroplast. Aerenchyma Parenchyma tissue, actually diagrams are there, page number 19, and they are having 8 spaces. Parenchyma tissue consists of 8 spaces, and these parenchyma are useful for to make the plant to float on the water lily, lotus, like that. Again you see storage parenchyma. Storage parenchyma tissue is useful for storage of food. It is useful for storage of food, and it is present in root, leaves, and also stem. Storage parenchyma. Okay. How many types of parenchyma are there? Three. What are they? Florenchyma, parenchyma, storage parenchyma. Florenchyma and parenchyma and storage parenchyma. Okay, this is over. And now we are discussing about collenchyma. Collenchyma is thick wall. And the thick wall, there are no air spaces. There are no air spaces. And it is also living tissue. Florenchyma tissue is thick wall. Parenchyma is thin wall. Air spaces are there. Air spaces. That is, spaces are there. Sorry, spaces are there. But here there are no spaces, and they are thick wall. Collenchyma tissue, thick wall, and it is also living tissue. It is also giving what support to the plant body. And next you see sclerenchyma, which is much thick than these two. It is having thick wall and is giving what mechanical strength to the plant. So we discussed how many types of tissues? 3 types of tissues. So ground tissue is of how many types? 3 types. So what are they? Parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. And how many types of parenchyma are there? 3 types. What are they? Florenchyma, parenchyma, storage parenchyma. And what is the function of florenchyma? They prepare food. They are having chloroplast. And what is the function of parenchyma? They are having what? Air spaces. They used to float the plant. They may make the plant to float on the water. Air is present. And what is the function of storage parenchyma? It stores food. And next you see collenchyma, thick wall. And next you see sclerenchyma also. They are much thicker than these two tissue. Okay. And now I am asking a few questions on ground tissue. Which tissue is called bulk tissue? Ground tissue. Why it is called bulk tissue? It is present large amount in the plant. It is present in large amount. Why it is called bulk tissue? Come on, tell me. It is present large amount. Okay. Name the 3 types of ground tissue. Parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Once again. Parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. And name the different types of parenchyma tissue. Florenchyma, parenchyma, storage parenchyma. Okay, this is a brief description about what ground tissue. Third tissue of the plants. Okay, thank you.